So today we're in the process trying to get this wheel chuck onto the front of the trailer. Just got this last night, and the goal here is to try to weld this to the front of it, get it set up, make it a little easier to run the bike up on here and have it hold in place while we're trying to strap it down. That's it, guys. Got the trailer all set up, got it repainted. Just did a Rust-Oleum rubber type coating that you would use on the back of like a pickup truck to kind of protect it. So I've got the whole thing coated in that now, all black. Probably next week I think I'm going to work on the wheels, take the wheels off and scrub those down, clean them up, paint them, do the same thing with that same coating. You can see here there's a little bit of rust on the wheels, so we get that fixed up next week. This Saturday, I'm going to take it out to the park and give this thing a shot, see how everything works. So for now, let you know Saturday if it stays on the trailer or if I lose it off the back. Peace out, guys.